Ever heard horror stories of cruisers stranded at ports or hit with massive bills? Today, we're counting down 5 common blunders that wreck trips, plus insider tips to avoid them and make your cruise unforgettable.
Hey folks, welcome to the channel where we unpack all the travel secrets to make your adventures epic, especially in the world of cruising. If you're gearing up for your first voyage or you're a repeat cruiser looking to level up, you've probably dreamed of those endless buffets, stunning ocean views, and exotic ports. But here's the thing, cruises can go from blissful to brutal if you fall into common traps. Today, we're diving into 5 cruise mistakes that could absolutely ruin your vacation, counting down from number 5 to number 1. For each one, I'll explain what the mistake is, why it can torpedo your trip, and most importantly, how to avoid it. These are based on real stories from cruisers just like you. So let's get started and ensure your next cruise is nothing short of amazing.
Kicking off at number 5, overpacking like you're moving house. This mistake involves stuffing your suitcase with way too many clothes, shoes, and gadgets, thinking you'll need options for every scenario. Why does it ruin your vacation? Well, most cruise cabins are cozy. Think tiny closets and limited storage. So you'll spend precious time wrestling with luggage instead of relaxing by the pool. Plus, airlines charge hefty fees for overweight bags on the way there, and on the ship, it just adds unnecessary stress when you're trying to unwind. How to avoid it? Pack smart with a capsule wardrobe. Versatile pieces that mix and match, like neutral tops and bottoms, for 7 to 10 days. Use packing cubes to organize. And remember, most ships have laundry services or self-serve machines. Stick to 1 carry-on and 1 checked bag max, and you'll have more space to breathe and shop for souvenirs.
Moving to number 4, ignoring the ship's schedule, especially port arrival and departure times. This blunder happens when you get caught up in the fun on shore and lose track of time, or assume the ship will wait for stragglers. Why is it a vacation killer? If you miss the all-aboard time, the ship sails without you, leaving you to chase it to the next port via expensive flights or taxis, potentially costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It's happened to countless cruisers, turning a relaxing day into a panic-fueled disaster. To dodge this bullet, set multiple alarms on your phone for 30 minutes before departure, and always carry the ship's contact info. Opt for cruise line excursions if you're worried about timing. They guarantee you'll make it back. Or use apps like Cruise Time to track schedules. Stay aware, and you'll enjoy every port without the fear of being left behind.
Number 3, skipping travel insurance or choosing the wrong policy. Many folks think it's an unnecessary expense and either go without or grab the cheapest option without reading the fine print. Why does this wreck your trip? Cruises involve unpredictable elements like bad weather, medical emergencies at sea, or even trip cancellations due to illness back home. Without proper coverage, you could face massive bills. Think $10,000 for a helicopter medevac, or lose your entire prepaid vacation cost. Real stories abound of cruisers regretting this when storms reroute ships or injuries strike. How to avoid it? Always buy comprehensive travel insurance from reputable providers like Allianz or World Nomads, covering trip interruption, medical evac, and baggage loss. Compare policies on sites like Insure My Trip and purchase within 14 days of booking for pre-existing condition waivers. It's a small investment for huge peace of mind.
At number 2, overindulging in food and drinks without a plan. This mistake is loading up on endless buffets, specialty dining, and cocktails, assuming it's all included without checking limits or health impacts. Why can it ruin your vacation? Beyond the obvious hangover or upset stomach derailing your days, many lines charge extra for premium drinks or restaurants, leading to shock bills at disembarkation. Plus, overeating can leave you sluggish for activities, turning your active adventure into a lethargic slog. Experienced cruisers share tales of regretting that third dessert plate when seasickness hits. To steer clear, research your cruise line's inclusions. Carnival might have free pizza, but Royal Caribbean charges for Johnny Rockets. Get a drink package if you're a sipper, but track intake with an app like MyFitnessPal. Pace yourself with lighter meals and hydration, and you'll savor the cuisine without the aftermath.
And finally, the top spot, number 1, not researching your cruise line and itinerary thoroughly before booking. This epic fail involves picking a ship based solely on price or ads without considering crowd vibes, route details, or hidden fees. Why is it the ultimate vacation ruiner? You might end up on a party-heavy ship when you wanted relaxation, or hit ports during rainy season, leading to disappointing excursions and wasted money. Mismatched expectations cause frustration, arguments, and a sense of regret over what could have been a perfect getaway. I've heard from so many who vowed never again after this. How to avoid it? Dive deep into reviews on Cruise Critic or Reddit's r/cruise, comparing lines like Norwegian for freestyle dining versus Princess for elegance. Check weather patterns via sites like weather.com and use tools like Cruise Mapper for itinerary visuals. Book with a travel agent for expert advice, and you'll sail into a trip tailored just for you.
Whew, those are the big 5. Mistakes that sneak up on even savvy travelers, but are totally preventable with a bit of prep. To sum it up, cruising should be about creating memories, not dodging disasters. So sidestep these 5 pitfalls by packing light, staying on schedule, insuring up, eating smart, and researching well. Your vacation will thank you. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more cruise wisdom, and comment below. What's your biggest cruise fear? Check out our video on top cruise hacks next, and we'll catch you on the high seas. Safe travels.